Ladies, gardening might make you less fertile. And yes, we are talking about that type of gardening. You see, there was a little study that was published yesterday by scientists in Toronto, Canada. And it was published as a response to this publication from 2019, which basically discovered that cannabis lowers sperm count in men. So these scientists basically looked at that publication and then begged the question, how does cannabis affect female reproduction? In order to test this, the scientists took eggs and fluid from 1,059 women who received IVF from one IVF clinic between the years of 2016 and 2023. And out of those 1,059 samples, THC was found in the fluid of 62 of them. And upon even more inspection, not only was there THC found in those 62 samples, but upon a closer look, the scientists found that the women who had higher THC levels also had larger numbers of mature eggs. So with that, THC improves your fertility, right? Well, not really. As the scientists also discovered, weirdly enough, that despite having larger numbers of more mature eggs, those larger numbers of more mature eggs didn't really contain the right amount of chromosomes, which typically leads to issues in implantation, embryo formation, and overall just leads to non-viable pregnancies. So based off of this study and this study, we now have a pretty good idea on how cannabis affects our reproductive systems, as it seems, based off of these studies, that cannabis negatively affects fertility in both males and females. So think about that next time you go gardening.